Hi guys, a bit of a different one for you. We've got a renovation / extension in Orange. This place has a lovely raked ceiling, but that makes it tough to put the air conditioning in. So as you can see, raked ceiling up there, void above this room in the corner. We've got a nice low level return air colour match to the wall. Up top we've void, and if we come around the corner, we've got a double deflection supply air grill up nice and high, and this lets this customer heat and cool with a ducted reverse cycle unit and still maintain their lovely raked ceiling.